In a serene village nestled between rolling hills and a sparkling river, there lived a wise guru named Ramananda. He was known throughout the land for his profound wisdom and his ability to teach life's greatest lessons through simple stories. Every month, villagers from near and far would gather at his humble abode to hear his teachings. One cool evening, as the sun painted the sky with shades of orange and pink, a group of curious students gathered around Guru Ramananda. They all sought solace from the burdens of their daily lives, and tonight, he had promised to share a story that would uplift their spirits whenever sadness crept in. Dear students, Guru Ramananda began with a warm smile. Tonight, I shall share with you the tale of the harmony of the forest. Once upon a time, in a lush, ancient forest, animals of all kinds lived in harmony. The lion, the elephant, the deer, the rabbit, all creatures, big and small, coexisted peacefully. The forest echoed with their laughter, songs, and shared moments. Every full moon, they would gather in a clearing for a grand celebration, a symbol of their unity. One year, a sudden drought struck the forest. The once gurgling streams dwindled to a mere trickle, and the once lush vegetation turned brittle and brown. As the days passed, the animals grew weary, their hearts heavy with worry. The unity that had once bound them started to fray, and the harmony they had cherished for so long began to crumble. The elder of the forest, a wise old owl named Kavita, saw the growing discord among the animals. She called for a meeting under the ancient banyan tree and spoke, "My dear friends, adversity has tested us, and it is threatening to break the bonds we have nurtured for generations. But remember, it is in times of darkness that our unity shines the brightest." Moved by Kavita's words, the animals decided to put their differences aside and work together. The lion used his strength to dig wells, while the rabbit darted through the forest, spreading seeds of hope. The elephant sprayed water from his trunk to revive the wilted plants, and the deer used her keen senses to find hidden water sources. As they toiled side by side, their unity was rekindled, and slowly, the forest began to heal. The rivers flowed again, the flowers bloomed, and life returned to the once dry land. On the next full moon, the animals gathered in the clearing, not for a celebration, but to commemorate their shared struggle and the renewed harmony they had found. Guru Ramananda paused, allowing the essence of the story to settle among his attentive students. Then, he continued, "Dear students, the story of the harmony of the forest teaches us that life is a tapestry woven from both joy and sorrow. Adversity might test our unity, but it is in coming together that we find strength to overcome even the greatest challenges. Remember, my beloved students, whenever you feel sad or burdened by life's trials, think of the animals in the forest. Draw inspiration from their journey, and let it remind you that unity, compassion, and a shared purpose can bring light even in the darkest of times." As the students absorbed the wisdom of Guru Ramananda's words, a sense of hope filled the air. They knew that whenever they faced hardships, they could find solace in the story of the harmony of the forest and draw strength from the unity it portrayed. And so, with grateful hearts, they left the Guru's abode, carrying the story with them as a beacon of light in their own lives.